the Omni Parker House. Wow. Oh shit. Look at this. Damn, this is beautiful. Check that out. Damn. This is dope. Oh shit, okay. I wonder what these used to be. Maybe Westinghouse or some shit? What speed? 500 feet per minute. Ooh, power start. Wow, this is fast for 500 feet per minute. Wow. All right. Mezzanine, I don't know, I guess. That probably used to be a logo. Oh no, that's too big for a Westinghouse logo. That, maybe these were Otis all along. I don't know. That Annunciator just didn't seem like Otis. Also, why were there only 2 cars? I doubt they added 2 on. They all look pretty much the same age. I woke up from a nice little nappy new just now. I got the morning toots. Well, not really morning, it's like 9 o'clock, but, well, 9 p.m., so definitely not morning. Here, oh, wow, yeah, this, look, that used to be a handle, I bet. Oh, wow, oh, these used to be Haughton. Or, no, no, is that Montgomery? Shit, these might have been Montgomery. Shit. Alright, well, that's it.